Food waste causes serious environmental pollution. And although many of us are doing our best in our daily lives to reduce and categorize food waste properly, the problem persists. Therefore, we want to take a more positive approach in dealing with the food waste that's been created. To take all the food waste that would have originally reached landfills or incinerators and instead bring it to the repurposing plant. The food waste then goes through the simple processes of mixing, drying, and pressing to finally be molded into shape. To create Alphapot, made from food waste, the 100% biodegradable pot for your plants. It's self-watering through a wick system. It's modular design. And more importantly, it can be directly transplanted. Alphapot becomes nutrients, helping your plant to grow as it breaks down naturally in the soil. This is the kind of positive cycle we want to achieve. To give food waste a new and more beautiful life. To create a sustainable and greener future. Alphapot, grow easily in nature.